Hello and welcome. It's a couple of weeks that we did not see any new video. Why? Actually, I don't know. I painted the whole 60 by 90 centimeters painting. It's almost done. I just have to do 2 of those sizes in trays and then it's done. So without anything else, let us start doing the last part of the painting. After I will show you the end results, and I'm pretty happy with it. There are some diamonds that are just popping up and yeah, it's horrible. I try to push them down. Sometimes when I get my painting, a diamond disappeared, so somewhere they fall off and then I just put a new one, but it's pretty horrible. So I hope that once it's framed, this will be better. I use this roller to flatten the diamonds a little bit, but actually it's flat when I roll it, and the next day it's popped up again. So we will see how it continues. So without anything else, let us start to do the last part and then I will show you the end results. So this is the last part that we have to do, that I have to do, sorry. I use this little knife to cut the paper like this. This came here. And most of the time I paint parts like this. So let us skip this part a little bit. And then I will be back with the end results. So he's finally done. We did this little part over here today, and this is the complete painting done, 60 by 90 centimeters. The last thing what we are going to do is here around the whole painting we are going to make a border. Here I have to put the tape, still did not do this yet, and then we are going to make a black border of 3 diamonds around, so to make it from 60 by 90 to 61 by 91, so it will fit better in his frame. So yeah, this is it for now. If you like my video, just subscribe to my channel. Also watch my other videos. And I will see you real soon in another video. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.